The theme of today is the ABC correction. It's a simple three-wave move. It's a measured move up, zigzag, call it what you will. It's really intuitive. You go up, or down, up, down. Just in more or less equal waves with a corrective wave in between them. When you look at the price of AMC over a long period of time, you see this bounce through here and you're like, so what? Well, here's the thing. If we get a stupid meme stock move, the price could really soar up to 16. It really could. And well, let's just find a good motive wave count through here. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then boom. This was a big pop up, big corrective wave. I'm looking for another 5 down. And this could be 1. This could be 2. We could be working on 3. Like, this could really still be crashing. It really could still be crashing. And this could just be that last little jubilant umph of hope before crushing despair. So it's like 15 or like 50 cents. I really don't see it any other way. It does look like an ABC move up. Just 1, 2, 3, corrective, and we've got this divergence in the RSI where the RSI is not peaking from the last prior peak. It's lower than the last peak, and the price is, of course, peaking. It's much higher than this last prior peak. So, you know, to me, it just says, hey, correction. GameStop is pretty cool. I had some analysis that supported a rally back to 1950 or 2150. We've definitely reached that level, and we're exactly at that maximum wave forward retracement. If GameStop can get above here and close, it's going to invalidate my bearish motive wave count, and I'll have to like figure out what that means exactly. But I got this level from the supposed bottom of a first wave from the middle of November of last year. You can see wave 1, big red here, and then this triangle formed 2, 3 extended a little bit. That's why it's in blue. You got all these waves of smaller degrees labeled through here, and now we're in this corrective bounce up, which has been really fun. But again, just like AMC, it looks similar to me. It looks like just a clean 1, 2, 3. That's all there is to it. And SPY is doing the same thing. In fact, let me go out into the daily time frame here. I drew these purple lines just to show like what the most annoying thing would be. This would be the most annoying thing. This would just drive everyone nuts. But basically, if SPY makes a 1, 2, 3 ABC correction move higher, we could see 430. We really could. I, however, still expecting that the price will eventually reach 289, but it may be a while. You can see the last time in the last iteration of this zigzag pattern that I believe is fractaling, we had a bounce off of a trend, and then well, the price just broke down. This was incredible to watch. Does anybody remember this? We had like 2 really strong green days on above 30 period average volume and 2 consecutive rising windows, gaps that didn't fill. And then in one day, boom, it was all wiped out. And then there was a trend test, and the price just kept falling. And it was just like, wow, okay. So that's kind of how I feel way up here. And look at that. You've got just a nasty wick on top of this candle. And if I open up my Elliott wave count, you're going to notice something, and that is, let's just, well, I think we're in a rising wedge, really. I really do. And I think that it might actually be a true ending diagonal triangle, because the first and the fourth waves of this pattern overlap a little bit. That's what this blue is showing. So you're going to see points A, B, C, D, and E up here at the top, and then a little, okay, maybe this was E. And now the price is coming down. This could be the top of a correction in of itself. So what is actually happening here? It's very hard to decipher, but I think this is a Moaz now or never moment. It kind of is, and I really think the markets are just going to tank. Like, I know I'm always saying that, but at this point it's like the corrective uptrend continues to form in a weakening way that implies bearish bias. So that's what I've got for today.